Today I'm in Hill Cemetry in Birmingham's Jewellery Quarter, looking for the grave of John Wellington Star. John Wellington Star was an American who was working on the development of the light bulb at the same time as Thomas Edison. And there was even a court case because Star believed Edison copied his invention. Unfortunately, Star, while visiting England, contracted tuberculosis and was buried in Hill Cemetry. Along with Warstone Lane Cemetery, Hill contains the Birmingham Catacombs. And if you'd like to find out more about the Birmingham Catacombs, why not join me on the Discover the Birmingham Catacombs walking tour? And let's explore Birmingham together.